We shall guide you through the process of how wastewater is treated step by step, finally cleansed and returned to nature. The wastewater treatment system consists of 7 major steps, with each step playing a crucial role in ensuring that water resources can be safely reused or discharged. FineTek provides a complete solution for water treatment. Let's look at these important processes together. First, wastewater is directed to the wastewater treatment plant through the pumping station. Wastewater from households, factories, and cities is sent into the treatment system, preparing it for the subsequent purification process. The liquid level gauge accurately monitors the flow of wastewater, while sensors detect pipe ruptures or leaks, ensuring the stability of the system's operation. Next, the wastewater passes through a large screening barrier to intercept larger solid impurities, such as plastic bags, leaves, paper, and so on. This prevents debris from blocking subsequent treatment equipment, ensuring that the treatment system operates smoothly. The radar wave level meter can detect the water level and activate the screening barrier to remove the impurities. The sedimentation tank is used to allow heavier sand, gravel, and soil to settle at the bottom, removing larger solid pollutants and reducing the burden on subsequent treatment processes. FineTek sensing technology provides real-time data, detecting material level limits to ensure that optimal operating standards are met. After the previous processes, some lighter pollutants may still float on the water surface. A scraper is used to remove this floating sludge, further purifying the water and making it clearer. The radar wave level meter is used in the sedimentation tank to detect the water level. Oxygen is injected through a blower to allow microorganisms to break down organic pollutants, converting them into safer substances, significantly improving water quality. During the aeration process, the ultrasonic level meter can instantly monitor and transmit data, ensuring the system operates efficiently. After biological treatment, the wastewater enters the final sedimentation tank, allowing the decomposed organic matter to separate from the water, with the sludge settling at the bottom. The cleansed water then continues to the final treatment step. FineTek's level meters continue to play a key role at this stage, ensuring that the water level is controlled within the standard range. During the process, chemical agents are added to make solid suspended particles coagulate into larger particles, achieving the goal of purifying the wastewater. These agents typically include coagulants, flocculants, deodorants, and pH regulators, chosen based on the nature and level of pollution in the wastewater. The float-type level transmitter is a simple and highly reliable level indicator that can be installed inside the chemical treatment tank. Finally, the settled water undergoes disinfection treatment, where chemical chlorine is added to kill bacteria, ensuring that the discharged water meets environmental protection standards. The magnetic float-type level gauge can accurately measure the liquid level of the disinfectant, while the electromagnetic flow meter can detect the flow rate in the discharge pipeline. After these 7 major steps, the wastewater is transformed into clean water that meets the required standards and can be safely discharged into rivers or oceans. FineTek provides highly accurate monitoring data, ensuring that each stage of the process operates effectively. This helps businesses and environmental agencies enhance the efficiency and accuracy of wastewater treatment.
The key to start sensing the world. FineTek.